ओंकारं बिन्दुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. Yogis meditate forever on Omkara associated with the Bindu. Salutation to the Omkara, the granter of wishes and salvation. We call on Thee, Lord of the hosts, the poet of poets, the most famous of all, the supreme King of spiritual knowledge. O Lord of spiritual wisdom, listen to us with Thy graces and reside in the place of sacrifice. Part 5. Krishna's unique qualities. Quality 61. Leela Madhuryam, performer of wonderful activities. Santi yadyapi me prajya leelastasta manohara nahi jane smrite rase mano me kidrisham bhavet. Although I have many fascinating pastimes, whenever I think of the Rasa Leela which I perform with the gopis, I become eager to have it again. Parispuratu sundaram charitamatra lakshmipates tatha bhuvananandinas tadavatara vrindasya cha harerapi cha matkriti prakaravardhanah kintu me Vibharti hridi vismayam kamapi rasa leela rasaha. I know about Narayana, the husband of the goddess of fortune, and I also know about many other incarnations of the Lord. Certainly, all the pastimes of such incarnations are exciting to my mind, but still, the pastimes of the Rasa Leela performed by Lord Krishna himself are wonderfully increasing my transcendental pleasure. Quality 62. Premna Priyadhikyam. Krishna is surrounded by loving devotees. Atati adbhavan ahnikananam trutir yugayate tvam apashyatam kutilakuntalam shri mukhang chate jadau dikshatam pakshmakridrisham. The gopis lament, My dear Krishna, during the daytime, when you go out into the forest of Vrindavana with your cows, we consider one moment to be 12 years, and it is very difficult for us to pass the time. And again, when you come back at the end of the day, by seeing your beautiful face, we are so much attracted that we are unable to stop looking upon you constantly. At these times, when there is occasional blinking of our eyelids, we condemn the Creator, Lord Brahma, as a dunce, because he does not know how to make perfect eyes. Brahmaratri tatirapyaghashatro sakshanardhavadagatava sange hakshanardhamapi vallavikanam brahmaratri tativadvirahe bhoot. One gopi, expressing herself to Krishna, says, When we meet you at night, we consider the duration of night to be very small. And why speak of only this night? Even if we had a night of Brahma, we would consider it a very short time. Quality 63. Venu Madhuryam. Krishna's attractive flute. Savanashastadupadharya sureshah Shakra Sharva Parameshthi Puroga Kavaya Anata Kandhara Chitta Kashmalang Yayura Nishchita Tattva. The gopis tell Mother Yashoda, when your son plays on his flute, Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma and Indra, although they are supposed to be the greatest learned scholars and personalities, all become bewildered. Although they are all very great personalities, by hearing the sound of Krishna's flute, they humbly bow down and become grave from studying the sound vibrated. Rundhannam bubhritascha matkriti param kurvan muhustumburum Dhyanadantarayan sanandanamukhan Vismerayan vedhasam Autsukyavalibhirbaling chatulayam Bhogindramagurnayan Bhindannandakataha bhittimabhito Babhramavangshi dhvanihi. The sound vibration created by the flute of Krishna wonderfully stopped Lord Shiva from playing his Dindima drum. And the same flute has caused great sages like the four Kumaras to become disturbed in their meditation. It has caused Lord Brahma, who was sitting on the lotus flower for the creative function, to become astonished. And Anantadeva, who was calmly holding all the planets on his hood, was moving in this way and that due to the transcendental vibration from Krishna's flute, which penetrated through the covering of this universe and reached to the spiritual sky. Quality 64. Rupa Madhuryam, Krishna's exquisite beauty. Yanmartya leelaupayikang svayoga Maya balang darshayata grihitam Vismapanang svasya cha saubhagardhev Param padam bhushana bhushanangam. Uddhava tells Vidura, "My dear sir, Krishna's form was most wonderful when he appeared on this planet and exhibited the potency of his internal energy. His wonderfully attractive form was present during his pastimes on this planet, and by his internal potency he exhibited his opulences, which are striking to everyone. His personal beauty was so great that there was no necessity for his wearing ornaments on his body. In fact, instead of the ornaments beautifying Krishna, Krishna's beauty enhanced the ornaments. Kastriyangate kalapadayata murchitena sammohitarya padaving nachale trilokyam Trailokya saubhagamidang cha nirikshya rupam Yadgodvijadruma mrigaf pulakanya bibhran. The gopis address Krishna as follows: Although our attitude toward you resembles loving affairs with a paramour, we cannot but wonder at how no woman can maintain her chastity upon hearing the vibration from your flute. And not only women, but even strong-hearted men are subject to falling down from their position at the sound of your flute. In fact, we have seen that in Vrindavana, even the cows, the deer, the birds, the trees, everyone has been enchanted by the sweet vibration of your flute and the fascinating beauty of your person. Aparikalita purva kaschamatkārakāri Spurati mamagariyan esha madhurya puraha Ayamahamapi hanta prekshyayang lubdhacheta Sarabhasamupabhoktum kamaye radhikeva. One day, Krishna happened to see the shadow of his beautiful form reflected on the jeweled foreground. Upon seeing this bodily reflection, he expressed his feelings. How wonderful it is that I have never seen such a beautiful form. Although it is my own form, still, like Radharani, I am trying to embrace this form and enjoy celestial bliss.